Hey you guys, welcome back to XPPen Artist. Today we're going to be having a lot of fun. I got contacted by XPPen and they asked me to do some characters for a competition type deal, and they wanted me to do some emotional characters based on emotions, and then they would segue over to possibly doing toys and whatnot. And the next video, the video that you're going to be watching today, is part of a three-part series because I did actually I did 4 characters. One is more of a seasonal item, but the 3 characters you guys are going to see depicting emotions, and that was the creative brief as directed by XPPen. So I'm not going to really talk too much over these illustration videos, so just sit back, grab a cup of coffee, enjoy the music and the drawing process overall. And there will be some narration, but not too much. So this is the first in a series of 3 videos. And the first one we're going to do is the Scaredy Scared Scarecrow. So enjoy. Alright, so drawing on the XPPen Artist Pro 19-inch second generation. I've already done a review video on this particular product, so we're not going to go in depth, but suffice it to say, it has been a joy working on this particular product. I did have a couple little issues in the beginning, but overall I give it an A+. You know, some of those issues obviously are sometimes directed and unfortunately directed by the user. So, yeah, XPPen asked me to do a few characters, and I thought, you know, I usually do a seasonal item for them anyway, so let's go ahead and expound on the illustrations this year. And I did go with a seasonal, kind of a seasonal thing. You know, we did a scarecrow, and I also did a clown as part of the grouping, and then I did a Yeti, because you know me, Yetis. I love Yetis. My Yeti character, Freddy. And all of them have kind of a friendly leaning. I don't really do any kind of gore or anything like that, unless it's dictated by the creative brief, and it was very broad from XPPen. And I want to keep it friendly, and don't want to go too in-depth with the scary. That's not really my MO, per se. But yeah, drawing on this unit is really fun, and overall, as I progressed through, I wanted to go tongue-in-cheek with this particular character. It being a scarecrow, my initial knee-jerk was to put him up on a scarecrow mount, maybe in a field, and that's kind of, you know, normal. And I didn't want to go normal with these illustrations. I kind of wanted to go, again, kind of funny, tongue-in-cheek. And why not? Whenever you think of scarecrow, you don't really think of scared, a scaredy cat crow. I mean, I could have actually gone really far with it and made the scarecrow an actual crow, scarecrow. That would have been kind of even funnier. But that being said, a scared scarecrow that's actually, he's just scared of spiders. And that was kind of my thought process with this particular piece. So I'm going to go ahead and let the music fade on in, and you guys just enjoy the illustration work. And I'm working in Photoshop today using some of my favorite brushes, and I work differently depending on the mood I'm in, and that's exactly what I did with this one. Started out with a gray value study, and then just started blocking in color, and had a lot of fun with this. And yeah, definitely check out the other videos in the series, and enjoy. Alright, see ya. And here's where we landed with this piece. Definitely stay tuned for the other pieces. There's basically 3 left, so look for those videos and like and subscribe. See you next time.